They are competitive.
How do I look?
You look good.
The red fit me?
Yeah.
I like it. I think this is the one, you guys. Come, regulate your retrovisor.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here. But it's cold outside. But the sun is out, sky is blue. Planes flying up above. We have life, so give thanks. Say good morning, husband.
Morning.
He's driving. Sarah, say good morning. Tyler, say good morning. As you guys can see, we are in our car. We're on the road. Where are we going? The kids have no idea. But today we're going to meet our potential new car, hopefully. So we have been car hunting, as you guys may or may not know. If you watched the vlog before we went on vacation, you saw us went to a car dealership to check out some cars. We know what we're looking for, and we see like 2-3 in our zone that we want to go and directly look at. So today we are targeting one specific one, and we're going to look at it right now as we speak. We're on our way. It's about 45 minutes drive away from home, so that's where we're on our way to. We have some few errands to run on the road also throughout the day, so stick and stay, and hopefully let's see if this will be our new baby. But I'm excited. I love going on this kind of journey with babe. I remember when we were buying our home, and when we were renting our first place, and when we were furnishing it. All these little things just gets me excited. But anyway guys, stick and stay, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam, and catch up and keep up with us, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Well, we're bouncing some Sean Paul in this car. You guys, my husband have some CD where I don't know where him get these CDs from. In his younger years, my husband enjoyed burning CDs. He have so much CDs, ridiculous. And sometimes when I hear some of the CD, I look at him like, boy, who are you? Babe have this Sean Paul CD that I've been loving. That is the first I'm hearing it, and it's late. All Sean Paul hits are on it. See, I'm wearing my Sean Paul glasses. If you know Sean Paul, this is how Sean Paul glasses look. That's just random, but it's true. Anyway, going back to listen to some Sean Paul. So this is it. I love the color. Yeah. I'm coming.
Le siège est réglable en hauteur, voilà. Cette fenêtre-là, vous pouvez le monter ou baisser.
Avant rien.
En dessous de vos jambes, vous avez la petite barre. Des petits vertèbres. Encore de là. Ouais, sur la droite. Ouais. À l'intérieur, c'est un peu ok.
How do I look?
You look good.
The red fit me?
Yeah.
I like it. I think this is the one, you guys. Come, regulate your retrovisor. I think this is the one. Red, perfect.
He has the for the dark. Black.
Tint. Oh, it's just one. Both? Alright, I think this is the one.
It's just for the inside. If it's just
Um,
and the trunk is good when
this is it. Not leaving it. Yes, this the one. This the one. Or I can go to the car. Or I can go to the car. I can go to the car. So you guys, we found our new car. Yes, Sarah. Mama don't have any orange juice. Papa have the bag with the juice. You soon get it, okay? You guys, we found our new car. We had our eyes set on it. We came and it's even more beautiful in person. The red is just popping. Inside is perfect. Love everything about it. So we're taking it. Baby's inside making payments while I'm sitting in the car with the kids until he comes back. So yay! We bought our new car. Haha. We bought our new car. So it's gonna take a few days until the bank transfer of all the funds, and then Babe will come and pick it up. Oh yay! It's also an automatic car. We were intentional in getting an automatic because the license that I'm doing is automatic license, so that I told you guys in the beginning that this car was initially gonna be mine, and in a few years down the line Babe will get something bigger for himself. So the reason why we deliberately buy automatic is so that I can start driving as soon as I get my license, instead of going on another car hunt to get another license, another car. And when we were in USA this summer, Babe drove automatic car the entire time while he was there, and he fell in love with automatic, and he was never a fan of it. So he is now in love with automatic. So yeah, that's what's up right now. It's a beautiful day. God is good. I'm snacking and Sarah snack. Why? Because I'm bored sitting in this car. Babe gone with my bag. Have Tyler tablets in it, and I have to give Tyler my phone. So everybody is happy. Sarah had her tablet from we got here, so I didn't have to worry about her. But oh, here he comes. Here he comes.
you have my glasses case.
Yeah. Hi, Mr. New Car.
There will be a changement.
A big changement. We double your car size.
Yeah.
But I love it. When I sat in it, I felt so good.
I have this important paper to keep.
Hooray! New paper. Mm-hmm. Babe, come in.
Have a good garage here. Got some nice car.
Watch him come back with coffee.
There's another car just here, not bad at all.
You can buy yours here when you're ready.
You know, because it's not Nice area, once you jump to Fréjus, the price drop also.
Oh, the price drop?
It's a little bit cheaper here.
Oh.
Nice can, all of this is
More expensive. Some hungry bellies are happy. Lunchtime at McDonald's. Watch hungry belly face. Hungry belly. And of course, our menu never change. We have the usual nuggets, fries, veggies, and fish sandwich. You guys are at the mall. Go, Ty, go. We're at the mall. Sarah, don't do that. Don't. Hey, you. Hello. Hi. You're climbing. Doucement. Pay attention. Good job. Look at you, big girl. Slowly, Sarah, slowly. Why your face look like that?
Because everybody else was passing me.
So why you let them passing you? You guys, in my kitchen smell good. We got back off the road and took a little rest. And now I am cooking dinner. So, see? Chicken bubbling. We have curry chicken going on over here. Because that's what Mama felt for. Yes? Alright. So that's one. We have pasta over here because that's what Tyler feel for. We have broccoli over here because that's what Tyler feel for, but he wants it with cream, so this not finished as yet. And then we have rice over here because there ain't no curry without rice, right? And then in here, guess what's in here? In here we have, let me show you what we have. In here we have jerk chicken because that's what Papa felt for. So everybody's needs are being met tonight with dinner. Everybody will be satisfied, everybody will be happy, and then you'll have one big happy family. Anyway, you guys, we're here just chilling until dinner is finished cooking. And voila, dinner is ready. Done. Jerk chicken look nice. Would I eat some? No. But no, I'm going for the curry. Hey, you two, what is tonight? It's movie night. You ready?
To watch another film, but
What we're watching?
La Belle et la Bête.
What is La Belle et la Bête en anglais? The Beauty and the Beast. Gonna see a princess and a beast.
Lion King 3 or Nemo.
That's okay. We have many more weeks to watch that. That's fine. So this is what's going on in the cinema tonight. We have popcorn, we have cheesecake, and we have eclair, and we have water, and we have two pretty faces. Yes, more water. They're waiting on Papa and I. So that's the wrap on today's vlog. We're gonna watch some movies with the babies and call it a night. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and cheers to honey. Cheers to what? Where are you? What are we cheersing to tonight? I can't hear you. I'll wait for you. I'm waiting on babe to come. Cheers, chin. Guys, put down the water. Don't drink off your water right now.
I'm not cheating. Yes.
I'm waiting on Papa to come. Where is Papa? Papa! You guys can look at my pretty face until babe comes.
Again.
I'm ending the vlog. What are we cheersing to today?
Well, when we cheers, we always have to put health and family in it. So we cheers the health and family.
And what
then
have we accomplished
we're
today?
gonna cheers about our accomplishment of the day, and we're gonna cheers about our new car.
Hey,
So yes, cheers to the new
Cheer
car.
to Baby Red. That's our new name. Baby Red. Anyway, you happy?
Yeah, one accomplishment.
Yes. Anyway, you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys.
Love.
Later, introducing tomorrow.
Okay.
Later,
No.
keep me
So we're saying good night now. We're ending it.
Good night. Good night.